Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your FuboTV subscription step by step clearly. Make sure you are using the same device and account you originally used to sign up for FuboTV. Check your internet connection so the cancellation page loads correctly without errors. Open your web browser and go to FuboTV. Click Sign In at the top of the page. Enter your email and password. Then complete any verification if prompted. After you are signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select My Account from the drop-down menu. On the Account page, find and open the Subscription or Manage Subscription section. Look for an option that says Cancel Subscription or End Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation process. Read the on-screen message explaining what happens when you cancel. Confirm you want to continue by clicking Next, Continue, or a similar button. If FuboTV offers a pause or discount option, choose No Thanks if you still want to cancel. Select a cancellation reason if it is required, because some accounts ask for this step. Click Confirm Cancellation to finalize your request. Wait for a confirmation screen that clearly says your subscription is canceled. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Check your email inbox for a cancellation confirmation message from FuboTV. If you do not see the email, also check your spam or promotions folder. Note the date your billing cycle ends, because access may continue until that date. If you subscribe through Apple, open iPhone settings. Tap your name. Tap Subscriptions. Then cancel FuboTV there. If you subscribe through Android Google Play, open Google Play. Tap your profile. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then cancel FuboTV there. If you subscribed through Roku, open My Roku.com. Sign in. Go to Manage Your Subscriptions. Then cancel FuboTV there. If you subscribed through Amazon, go to Amazon Subscriptions. Find FuboTV and turn off Auto Renewal. After canceling, verify your account status shows inactive or set to end on a specific date. If you are billed again by mistake, contact FuboTV support and provide your confirmation details. If you want to restart later, you can resubscribe anytime from the same account page. Before leaving, log out of shared devices to protect your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.